What people are doing to Didi is totally unfair. So Didi she doesn't deserve all the good things because of Liema and Thandega's fan base. That is totally unfair, guys. Let's all be honest. Didi she deserve to be out there. So let's get to start of today. The rest of the house is Samara Pez and Wasale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. So guys, there's a lot of division on social media right now as I'm speaking to you guys. The fan base Yaka Didi and Liema, some of Didi's fan base, they're saying they're going to vote for Liema to take the 2 million rand because they don't want Thandeka to win. What if Q takes the 2 million rand, guys? Remember, guys, to be a DSTV ambassador, guys, they only need the 5 housemates and only 6 housemates are left. So you guys are risking for Didi's opportunities because of Liema, guys. And Liema, she will never share the 2 million with Didi, guys. And I'm looking at this fan base, I'm like, what is going on with these people? When it comes to Mele and Ashe tomorrow, I think Utsiki creator, they will having an interview Mele. So Mele, he will decide after seeing what is happening outside, he will decide whether to vote to Thandeka or not. Same or Ashe, guys. Let's wait for Ashe. For someone who was voting for Ashe, guys, I'm gonna wait for Ashe to tell us which one to vote to. If Ashe say let's vote for Bravo B, I'm gonna vote for Bravo B, guys. And right now I'm not gonna decide for Ashe because Ashe is the one who's feeling the pain right now after he got evicted, guys. He's gonna see what is. So he's gonna see who betrayed him, who was faking, he's gonna see everything, and then he's gonna tell us which one to vote, So you guys are being unfair to Didi, honestly speaking. And when I saw even Base I got Didi, some people are saying, no, we are voting for Liam. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, do you know that even if we Didi, she doesn't win the 2 million rand, there's so many opportunities for Didi. I don't know what's going to happen outside. The future is pregnant with possibility. Anything can happen. Look at Sweet Guluva, guys, compared to Ashley, guys. Oh, Ashley, she's doing so well compared to Sweet Guluva. So you guys need to think before you vote. This week is going to be a long week. For those who have been voting for King Wanda, for Nelisa, for the Donny, for the Dumi, from Shefan, you guys need to think before you vote, guys. So don't use your emotion. If you feel like you deserve the 2 million, give it to you. If you think Liema deserved the 2 million rand, give it to Liema. If you think Thandeka deserved the 2 million rand, give it to Thandeka or to Didi or to Tracy, guys. Even to Tracy, I'll be happy to see Tracy taking the 2 million rand, guys. Anyone deserve, if it means for that person to win the 2 million rand, they're going to win it, like it or not. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.